Printdoors Review. In this video, I will talk about Printdoors. I will explain pros, cons, features. First, let's talk about features. Printdoors is an all-in-one platform that allows users to create and sell custom apparel, accessories, and other products. It's designed for businesses and brands looking to launch unique merchandise with minimal hassle. First up, Printdoors offers a wide range of products, with over 200 items including t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and phone cases. You can easily find the right product to customize for your audience. Next, their design tools are user-friendly. You can create custom designs using their intuitive editor or upload your own artwork. The drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to position your designs exactly where you want them. Printdoors also excels in quality. They offer various printing methods like flex printing, flock printing, and digital direct printing, ensuring vibrant and durable designs. Finally, their seamless integration with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento makes it easy to sell your products online. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros. Wide product range. With over 200 customizable items, you have plenty of options to offer your customers. User-friendly design. Tools. The easy-to-use editor helps you create professional-looking designs without any hassle. High-quality printing. Various printing methods ensure your designs are vibrant and durable. E-commerce. Integration. Seamless integration with popular platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. No upfront costs. You only pay when you sell a product, minimizing financial risk. Cons. Limited customer support hours. Customer service is only available Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Lower marketplace commission. If you sell on their marketplace, you only receive 20% of the sale price. Bounce rate. As of March 2023, the site has a 51.83% bounce rate, indicating potential user experience issues. In conclusion, Printdoors offers a robust platform with a wide range of customizable products, high-quality printing, and seamless e-commerce integration. While there are some limitations, such as customer support hours and marketplace commission, the overall benefits make it a strong contender for your custom product business. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye.